Watch my car, make sure nobody mess with it.
Damn! You got to be a stupid mother... Damn!
Ooh.
Nope.
You gonna cry in the car.
No.
All right, bro, with me, first test run after putting a 144001 motor inside here. Oh yeah, we back. That's that water. I sound more angry. Honestly. Uh-oh. Yeah. Oh, I don't even think I caught that. Yo, this thing is crazy now. Wow. I don't know if this is gear different or what, yo. This seems way faster. Wow. Hey, y'all. This is the 144 motor after the original stock burned out on me. Yo, look how fast this is. I don't know if the 144 550 is different or what. It was not moving like this. Or maybe my motor was just bad from the beginning. I don't know if y'all's is moving like this, but look at this. This is just on 2S. That's crazy. Come on, man. Come on, y'all. Y'all gotta look at this. Yo. Woo! Oh man, I really hope I was in focus. I hope I was in frame. I'm scared of the water. Oh my gosh, man. Yeah, man. All right, test over. Yeah, test over with. Look at that though. Yo, it is moving way better. Yo, come on. Yes, that's how it's supposed to move the whole time. That's what it was supposed to do. All right. Yo, look how fast it was not going that fast before. I think I had a bad motor the whole time. Look at how fast it's going. You remember? It was definitely not going that fast. All right. Just uncut, y'all. I'm gonna ride it all the way through. Like, comment, subscribe. Real raw footage. Hopefully I can frame most of it. Yeah. Now it's proper, y'all. JC Randomness. McKnight Mayhem. We out.